Did you quit your job right away when
By
you?
the way, I have to get into that because that's another something I struggled with watching you as well and seeing how you did it. You were advising people, yo, I think you guys should do it differently because I quit my job. I remember you saying that before you should have done it according to you. But and I'm like, well, if AJ did it from the get-go, that means he has some stomach for this thing. Why would I hold on to my job that I didn't like, that kept me on lockdown and I wasn't able to flourish? Um, you know, should I actually wait till I have 6 months of I would say income or you say a plan before you get out there, have about 6 months of living expenses? I'm like, I'm not that dude. I need to go now, right? So I was working Uber on the weekends, and I knew I could make money outside of the job by just using my car to make money. So I just jumped from the get-go. My youngest son was born, and I took some leave to, be home with the kids, and my wife helped her out. And I'm like, when the day I was supposed to go back to work, I told my wife, I said, baby, I think this is it. So I put on a suit and a tie. She was supporting me 100%. And I went into the job the day I was supposed to return to work, and I submitted a letter of resignation. They looked at me like I was crazy. Yo, what are you doing, man? You got like 4 kids. You just had another baby and you just gonna quit? I say I'm out, because I wanted to experience the entrepreneur life. And if I couldn't go out there and get it out of the mud like you did, then that journey wasn't for me. So I quit and I went working Uber full time in Philadelphia, because I live in Delaware. It's about an hour away from me. And that opened up the doors to me, right? That put my mind in a different mindset. It freed me from the structure of the 9 to 5 grind and allowed me to start seeing opportunities, meeting people, and being free from that structure, being able to make money on my own. And that was a different kind of feeling, man. That allowed me to say, well, if I can make money on my own without somebody breathing down my neck, then I can definitely be in business. So that freed me from that 9 to 5 rigors. It was a struggle. Don't mind me. I'm not going to lie to you. Making money and not having the predictability and the stability of the paycheck. But I went hard. I spent 3 days in my car without going home at times, because I was hungry for it. And I got a lot of that from you. And so I went like that, and I paid my bills. I even got my car repossessed at one point. But I was willing to give up anything for a chance of successful business ownership and building generational wealth. So I did not listen to you. You didn't do that neither. And I'm like, well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put it to the test because I think we have a lot of gifts and a lot of opportunities to achieve big goals. And if you just grind with unyielding determination, you can't lose.